Me, myself. We are vampires. We suck blood. We suck red. We suck the color red.
I think that's a different thing. Are you making up a Marceline song?
Yeah. Oh, wait. I forgot. Oh, yeah. Daddy, why did you eat my fries? I bought them, and they were mine. But you ate them, and they were mine. Did you look? Did you see me cry? Daddy, do you even love me? I wish you even know. I wish you even showed. What kind of daddy will eat her donuts fries?
And then not look her in the eyes.
And do not look at her in the eyes.
Because Daddy, there were tears there.
Daddy, there are tears there. Do you even care?
Okay. Try the Buff Baby song.
Okay.
And remember to like put your butt out and shake your finger.
That's like a bat. I'm a tough dude, baby. That can put on your butt. Put on your butt.
If I'm gonna go to the store, then I need to know which is closed.
Hmm? Yeah, you just don't have it in you right now, do you?
No, dude. I'll finish that up later. Now I'm going to put this bubblegum song that I made up.
Oh.
It says bubblegum. You are gummish and gummy. You are like a little gummy bear. That's so good. But the bubblegum, I want to kiss you so much. That if I find some sweet, could you love it?